When you choose Logan Services, you're choosing quality craftsmanship. You're choosing attention to detail, reliability, durability, a system that's going to last you for a long time. You're choosing a family-owned business that treats all of its customers the same, like family. I enjoy installing Trane systems for Logan Services because our team is dedicated to serving our customers with the highest level of professionalism in our industry. All of the guys on our team really care about our customers. We'll respect your home and we'll treat it like it's our own. We take our work seriously. Our guys train hard. They study new products and emerging technology, and they familiarize themselves with the specs of your home before even setting foot on the job. We're going to answer your questions and be there to help you understand what we are doing through the installation process. Your installation team will be communicating with our installation leadership team. We follow a process to make sure that nothing gets overlooked and that your system will reach its optimal efficiency and comfort levels. At the end of the day, it's not just about heating and cooling. It's about making our customers happy and confident in the decision that they made to hire us for the job. When we wrap up our work, it's always inspiring to watch customers feel a difference in their homes. If you can't feel good at home, where can you? That's the level of care we aim to bring you. Your home is going to feel different, better than ever before when we are through with our work, to make you comfortable and happy in your home. That's the fast, friendly service that we promise and you deserve.